Hey everyone, so this will be an unboxing of the brand new iPad 11th generation. This is the base model of it in blue. Always amazes me how giant these boxes are compared to like the Samsungs, which are like half the thickness of these iPads. I'll come back to the iPad in just a quick moment here. Here in the US, these are $350 to start off with. Unlike the iPhones, you do get an actual charging brick here. And it is 20 watt, so not very fast. But at least you do get one. And then of course USB-C to USB-C. This is a nice braided, nice fabric USB-C there. Cable. And of course we get your paperwork and whatnot in here. Again, I just want to show how thick this is for this tiny bit of paperwork, and no stickers anymore in there. Alright, then we'll get to the actual iPad. Take this on off, slide that on off. So again, this is the blue. It's not the easiest to see in my lighting, but that is a nice looking iPad. Do have LED flash there, I'm gonna guess LED at least. Then one camera, nice big Apple symbol there. This is a good size iPad now for being a base model. You have volume rocker, nothing else. We have our two speakers, which I believe only one of these actually works, because on the other side you have two as well. And again, I believe only one on either side work. At least that's how the 10th generation was. Also have our power button there, our spot for the keyboard if you want to buy one. And again, other speakers, and then USB type C there. Apparently I just turned it on. And then we do actually have the camera there. Then here, the new one is on the left compared to the last generation, the 10th generation. Both are in blue, both are, I would say, identical blues. Really the only difference that I would say from back here is below where I have this, you have your serial number and whatnot. You have important information on the back of the old generation. The new one does not actually have any rating back here except for the giant Apple symbol. And then from the front, again, they basically look identical. I believe the new one is supposed to be a little bit of a bigger screen size, but I don't really see much of a difference. So looking at Apple's own website, yes, the old one has 10.9 inch, the new one has an 11 inch. And basically there is a very tiny amount of difference, because that's a very tiny amount of difference. Then two, the new one also now has A16 chip compared to the last generation that has the A14. Stay tuned to my channel though, I'll be making a comparison between these, as well as a speed test comparisons versus a whole bunch of other tablets that I have. So stay tuned for those. Those will be coming out shortly. And like I said, I'll be making a comparison between these two as well as versus the iPad 9. That I know a lot of people still love. You guys let me know what you think. Thank you all for watching. Again, this here in the US is $350 in the 120 gigabyte like we have here. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a good one. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.